Welcome to day two at Splendor 2021, the virtual inclusive international conference on the future of education hosted by Silray Learning Spaces. Hello, I am Aparna, co-founder of Silray Learning Spaces. It's great to see you, and I'm honored to share Splendor with each and every one of you. I am a passionate learner and have an abiding interest in working with children and supporting their learning journeys. My dear friend Gauri introduced me to Anandi and Silray. My first engagement at Silray was making 400 masks for a workshop that we conducted at an international school. And so my journey with Silray began. Silray has nurtured and fired my passion from the day I joined and I met my close friends. We at Silray consciously practice the learning philosophy that we so passionately believe in. Each Silray member, every one of us, has the opportunity to explore, experiment, and learn what we want and how we want. I joined the art and craft department and moved on to write content, take sessions, train facilitators, and manage operations at Silray. Silray has certainly empowered me and given my passion wings. Silray supports each learner's journey with resources, empathetic facilitators who are trained to support and empower every learner. Silray is a truly collaborative experience for adults and children alike. Anandi introduced us to computers and software, Windows, Google Drive, Excel sheets, long before its application in education were popular. We were ready for the digital transformation when it came. Technology has certainly helped us plan and execute many projects here at Silray with minute detailing, and Splendor is the jewel in our crown. Among the many initiatives that Silray has taken, the Giving Tree is our effort to reach out to learners in government and low-income private schools. We take sessions to help them with English as a language of communication. This is a purely voluntary project. Silray has worked with schools both in the pre and post-pandemic years. We have built an enthusiastic band of volunteer teachers who have helped kids learn and communicate in a supportive and friendly environment. We are fortunate to be associated with a few local schools here in Bangalore, where we go and take classes once a week. After COVID, with the support of like-minded organizations who provided a few of the school children with tabs, Silray's TGT was able to continue to reach out to all the children with weekly online sessions. This has reinforced our belief that learning is not limited by physical space. Technology can be creatively used to ensure that learning is possible, interesting, and impactful in difficult times as well. We at Silray have received a lot of love and affection from the kids and appreciation from their teachers, as the program has kept the children interested in learning and in school. The kids look forward to meeting the Silray aunties and uncles, annas and akkas every week. Silray's curriculum is directed towards learning the English language to communicate, to read, and to express yourself, so that kids can avail of a variety of opportunities that are out there. This is an effort to level the playing field for all children, eliminating social and economic barriers. I would like to thank the volunteers and our staff at Silray who have shared their time and their energy helping children learn in this fun environment. Silray has started an alternative school, which is currently purely online, called Unschool. We encourage our children to unlimit, unleash, and unlearn. Unschool is working with children, empowering them to explore, to question, and to learn for themselves. Our content writers and facilitators are looking for new and interesting and creative ways to present concepts in an interdisciplinary way. Unschool pushes everyone to ask and investigate and learn independently. We look forward to Unschool growing with strong and independent learners and like-minded facilitators. Thank you for your belief in our philosophy and our goal to make learning available, engagement, and relevant to everyone. Splendor 2021 has renewed friendships and connections as we reached out to old and new members as we worked to host this conference. Every Silray member has enthusiastically spread the word of Splendor, reached out to their contacts, to family and friends, and helped us connect with some amazing people working in the field of education. I would like to express our gratitude to each and every member of the Silray family for working tirelessly, for giving their time and energy to make Splendor 21 a truly international, diverse, inclusive, and accessible experience. Splendor 2021 has made it possible for Silray to meet and connect with so many wonderful people who are working in the field of education. We are honored by their presence and inspired by their stories and experiences. They are sharing their passion, their experiences, and their vision with us during this conference. We look forward to leveraging these discussions to take meaningful action on the ideas discussed here. This is the start of truly many beautiful collaborations to come. So, what's lined up for us at Splendor today? All learning is relevant in the right context and when it influences people and impacts the environment around us. How do we nurture a learning system that respects these relationships and keeps children connected to them as they learn? We are meeting a school leader who just puts that philosophy into practice every day. Children ask a lot of questions. Why should I learn this? Why me? Why now? Why is it useful? Why? Do you agree? When we show the relevance of learning, we are more inclined to pay attention and learn. Given time and space to explore, children can find connections between concepts across subjects, and they can understand the impact that one action or a decision can have on individuals, communities, and the environment. Learning is a truly multi-directional and interdependent process. And as educators, we should support learners as they explore and find these connections between ideas and their applications for themselves. How do we encourage our children to be leaders and not just passive followers? There is a spark in every child, and it must be nurtured in the right environment. How can we show children that an idea can grow into a self-supporting enterprise with the right support and the right direction? We will meet someone who believes that children should be introduced to the idea of an entrepreneurship, the idea of creating, innovating, and leading the way in every sphere of life. What are the skills, the structures, the attitudes that we need to develop as we set forth on the learning journey we are targeting towards 2030? How do we update our facilities, our training strategies, our approaches to learning? We will learn what is being done and what is in store for us. We will be meeting some innovators, administrators, teachers with ideas that they have put in practice, their experiences, and their plans for the future. Children are the center of this entire education system. What do the children think about all this? What do they want? They want to be heard, and here at Splendor, they will be heard loud and clear. How does one volunteer? What impact can volunteering have on society? We have a movie screening from an organization that works for inclusion in society with the support of many like-minded individuals. As you can see, we are having a multi-sensory experience at Splendor today. Do see, listen, ponder, interact in all the events that are lined up for you. I am excited and eager to hear from all our speakers, aren't you? I welcome Rama and Nidhi to take over the stage and start the proceedings. Thank you.